Hello everyone, I'm Rolly Arpicaza and I will be teaching you how to run Cronbach Alpha for reliability test in SPSS. So we have question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 for 5-point Likert scale, and we have 26 respondents. So 20 to 30 respondents will do for pilot testing. So how to do that? Press go to analyze, go to scale, go to reliability analysis, then transfer from the left side to right side all the items, and then press OK. So for the result, it must be, the Cronbach alpha value must be greater than 0.7 for us to be able to say that the questionnaire is acceptable. So that's Cronbach alpha, we have 0.765, meaning this is acceptable. The questionnaire is acceptable. So that's it. Thank you so much and please subscribe.